Alright, for the Kohler MT8 or M8T 8 horsepower TroyBilt rototiller. Sorry about the wind noise. This is the part number 4158403-S, code 49. So picked this up at Napa for about 50 bucks, and there it is, the new coil or ignition control module, whatever the heck you want to call it. Looks like a coil to me. So we think that's what's wrong with it. We're going to gap it right here, 14 thousandths, between 12 and 16 thousandths, so 14 thousandths of an inch gap between that surface and the magnets. They're coming around right there, so 14 thousandths there, and we should have a gap, and then we'll see if it starts.